So putting a new turbo in this 2016 Ford Escape. It's only got like 80,000 miles, and this is the feed line filter. This is why you got to pay attention to those little details. This thing is plugged up, so that's obviously getting changed out. So yeah, it's things to look for, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get to that little bugger. You got to pull the CV axle out on the passenger side, and yeah, so things to look for. Alright, so I was looking more at this little fuel line, or the oil filter for that turbo feeding. So this is fibrous, you know, kind of like filter material. And somebody might guess where I'm going with this, but I'm not saying it's a filter, but I kind of have a hunch that it's the brand of oil filter that's been getting used that probably is part of the reason why the turbo went out. Because the turbo was getting starved for oil, because this thing was almost completely blocked off. They've been getting their oil changes at Walmart, which I know Walmart tends to use Fram because they're cheap, and I get it. But when you got stuff like this and happening, yeah, I don't know for sure, but that's where my hunch is.